Hey guys, I thought that today I would show you what I'm gonna pack like in my travel makeup bag and what body care and stuff I'm gonna take. I don't know, I'm just nosy and I like knowing this kind of stuff, so I thought that you guys might want to know what I'm taking. And I feel like it's also like a good insight into like key products, I guess, because I feel like I've always been a strong believer of like the stuff that you travel with is like your strongest products kind of thing. Not always, but you know what I mean. So, which mind you, I can like barely lift this, so I'm kind of like, is this going to be too much to take? Some of this might change, I might add things, I might take some things away as well, but this is like a rough idea of what I'll be taking with me. Okay, so first I'm gonna, for brows, I'm just gonna take my Benefit brow products. So I'm gonna be taking the Benefit brow pomade, the Precisely My Brow Gimme Brow, and also the 24-hour brow setter. So yeah, that's pretty standard. I feel like I use those most of the time. So that's what I'm taking for brows. Then moving on to eyes. So I'm going to take the P. Louise CEO Keep Yourself In, or Get Yourself in Check palette. It's just obviously a nice neutral palette. I feel like it's really pretty. And then I also thought I'll take the Colourpop Nude Mood palette as well. Looks like that. So I'm also kind of like debating if I should like only take one. We are going to 3 different states, so I'm kind of a bit worried to take like too much, if you know what I mean. Like, but I don't know, I'm gonna, after I finish like filming this video, I'm gonna put everything in like my makeup bag, and then like if things don't fit or whatever, like I'll adjust accordingly. But then for like eye, like following on with eye stuff, got a couple of things. So I'm going to take my Anastasia liquid liner. I also am going to take this e.l.f. glitter eyeshadow. This one's in the shade Flirty Birdie. It's like this pretty like pinky champagne-y kind of colour. I also thought I'd take the XO Beauty Eye Halo in Luna, which is also so pretty. I'm also going to take my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy. And then I've also got my Addictor Lash magnetic lash thing for magnetic lashes. For mascara, I'm going to take my Essence Lash Princess. For lashes, I have 4 pairs. The first one are Chloe Elizabeth from Doll Beauty. I feel like all of them look really gross because they've been used, but trust me, they're really pretty. I've got 2 pairs of magnetic lashes from XO Beauty. We have Bribe. I feel like they're really pretty. And then we've also got Trap. XO Beauty as well. And then this is just like a pair of their like foam ink lashes, and these ones are in the style Troublemaker. So we're going for 10 days. So I feel like 4 pairs of lashes is like fair, hopefully. See, I feel like I've got a bit overboard in a couple of categories, so I might have to cull some of them. I don't know. I have 3 primers, I think. So like I feel like, is that too many? So first I have the Power Grip Primer from e.l.f. Then I'm also got my Colourpop Hydrating Illuminator, and then my Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Primer. So I'm just, I don't know, it seems like a lot, but I don't know guys, I'm stressed. We are kind of limited on luggage, but I'm thinking about buying a bit more, so I don't know. Anyway, for like foundations and stuff, I don't know what to do. Like, so I'm taking the e.l.f. Halo Glow, which I'm like excited because I feel like that's going to be so pretty, but I don't know if it's going to withstand like the long days, so I'll just have to wait and see how it goes. I'm also taking my Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturiser and the Colourpop Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. And I kind of want to take one more foundation as well, something like a bit fuller coverage, but then I'm also like, full foundations is overkill, so I don't know. I'm taking my Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer, and also my Colourpop Pretty Fresh Concealer. For powder, taking the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And then I also wanted to take my Too Faced Born This Way Pressed Powder. And I'm also going to take my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder. I feel like I'm taking a lot. Am I being silly? I know my mum's going to tell me off. She's going to be like, girl, you are carrying way too much stuff. But I don't know. I don't know, guys. I'm really like, I don't know. On to like face products. I'm going to take the Benefit Cheek Glitters Bronze Squad palette. Because this one's really good. It's got 2 bronzers, 2 highlights, and then, 2 bronzers, 2 blushes, and then a highlight. So I feel like that's a great palette to take. Then I'm also taking the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer. I'm also taking the Hourglass Ambient Strobe Lighting Blush. I'm also taking my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer, sorry. And I'm taking my Colourpop Land Gummy More Blush. Taking the Too Faced Love Light highlighter. And I also wanted to take my P. Louise highlighter, which is on my desk here. This one. It's in the shade Shining Through. So I'm going to take those. And then I'm going to take the Colourpop Pretty Fresh setting spray. And also the Benefit Professional setting spray. Lips and stuff I haven't fully decided on yet. When I finish this video, I'm going to go through my lip products. And I reckon I'll take a mix of like lip liners, some liquid lipsticks, and some glosses. So I'll try not to go too overboard, maybe like 3 of each. So like 3 lip liners, 3 glosses, and 3 liquid lipsticks. I don't know. So I feel like honestly it's not that much, but I'm also just like, I don't know. I might try and cool things a bit. I don't know. I'll just have to wait and see. Anyway, we'll do body care next. I'm actually so excited because I bought this for my birthday and I feel like this is the perfect little thing to take away with me. It's the Sol de Janeiro Cheirosa 68 cent. So we have the body wash, we've also got a body cream and then a body spray. And I feel like they should hopefully last me the time that I'm over there. So yeah, hopefully that'll like last me while I'm over there. If not, I'm gonna also take this. This is the Berry Berry Christmas Shower Gel from Lush. I feel like it smells alright. Yeah. It's nice and like fresh. Then I'm also going to take the Body Shop British Rose Shower Scrub. So that's like my shower bits and pieces. Then I'm also going to take the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush. This is the Cheirosa 40 cent. I love this one so much. I wish I had a smaller one. I'm trying to think if I have one, but I don't think I do. So yeah, I'll take her. I'm also going to take my Huda Beauty or Kayali perfume in Vanilla 28. I absolutely love this. I wish I had a smaller bottle, but it's fine. As for skincare, I'm taking this. This is the P. Louise Shake It Off Cleanser. I'm also taking the P. Louise Jelly Makeup Remover, which I'm really excited. I haven't tried that yet, so hopefully that's alright. I'm taking the Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. And then I'm also taking the P. Louise Source on the Side Moisturizer. And then I'm going to take I'm actually going to swap these out. I'm still going to take P. Louise ones. This is the P. Louise Lip Scrub and P. Louise Sleeping Mask, but I'm going to swap out the flavours. These are the bubblegum flavoured ones, but I'm going to use the ones, I think it's like Candy Apple or something. Those are the ones I'm going to take instead. Then I've just got this, the Fourth Ray Fresh AF Mist, and then the Emco Beauty Peptide Lip Treatment. And then as for hair, this is the little Briogeo. I also got this on my birthday, which is coming in handy. It's the Farewell Frizz Smooth and Shine Hair Care Minis. So we have a shampoo, conditioner, a conditioning spray, and a blow dry protection and heat protectant cream. So I'm really excited. I still feel like it's a lot. I don't know, but I mean, that's like all of my body care, hair care, skin care, and makeup. So like, you know, apart from that, all I also have to take is like clothes and like some books. Also, I'm going to show you what books I'm going to take as well, because I feel like that's fun. So like, I don't know, half of me is like, you're overpacking, and the other half is like, it's fine. So I don't know. I honestly, like, looking through, like, I don't know what I could kind of cut down on though. Maybe like not all the primers and stuff, but you know, I don't know. Anyway, it's also hard because we're traveling to like 3 different states, and I feel like they're going to be like 3 different like weather climates. So I feel like Like I feel like Brisbane's going to be really hot, whereas Melbourne's going to be a bit more cold. So yeah, I don't know. So I'm going to take The Locked Door by Frida McFadden. I'm also going to take The Silent Patient from Alex Michaelides. I think I said that wrong. And then Verity from Colleen Hoover. So I'm really excited. I haven't read anything from Colleen yet or from Alex. So hopefully these ones are all good. But yeah, I feel like 3 books might be overkill. But it's, once again, like, I'm going on like 4 different planes. So should be fun. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.